Hey guys, welcome back to Yinzer Picker. As you can see, I have a box in front of me. Different type of box, and it's going to be a different type of unboxing today. Also, it's going to be an unboxing and a review. Something I've been wanting to do for a while. This is something me and Yinzer Mom have delivered every month. So I wanted to do an unboxing. I don't know what's in this one, but I'll describe it here. This is from Black Rifle Coffee Company. If you've never had their coffee, it's really good. We started buying bags of it and we decided, hey, we're going to join the coffee club. So every few weeks, a month, however you want to set it up, you could set it up to have coffee delivered to your door. FedEx just dropped this off at our house. So we didn't have to go out and buy coffee, but we got this. They also donate some of their proceeds to the military and first responders. And they're also a military veteran-owned company too. So, hey, what better way to give your money? It's going to go somewhere good. I'm also going to put a link down below. If you want to try out the coffee club, you will save 20% whenever you join the coffee club. I think for 3 bags of coffee delivered, what we get, 3 bags pretty much every month. Free shipping, I think it's about 30 bucks. So it's really not bad when you think about it. When you, instead of going out to the store and buying some of the other coffee, this stuff I think was roasted last week. It's so fresh. They have facilities, I think, in Tennessee and Utah. So we haven't had one we haven't liked so far. So let's see what's in here. Let's get it open and see what coffee we got this month. Also, this video is not sponsored by them. We paid for this, but it's something that I wanted to do. But if somebody wants to know an honest review of this, where they didn't get a free box, where they actually paid for it, this is my honest review. So let's see what's actually in here. And also, their coffees have really cool names. I think one was last month had something to do with a bear. So, yep, there's 3 bags of coffee. So the first one is, there's no name on it. I think it's the Sasquatch one. Yeah. It's a dark roast, which we're not usually a fan of dark roast, but maybe we'll like this one. And it usually tells you on the back a little bit about each coffee. This one doesn't tell you much, except for, and I'm going to block it out just because, actually, it's already blocked out. Nobody blanks with a Sasquatch. Nobody. This is also ground. They do have, I think, pour over packets, and they do have K-cups. But we usually get the ground coffee. So that's the first bag we got. And these are all 12-ounce bags. The next one, another dark roast, and this is the Freedom Fuel. Heavy-bodied roast with a kick of freedom. And then the last one is a light roast. And I've actually wanted to try this, and I think this one might have just come out too. This is the Silencer roast. It's a light roast. It's perfect for the quiet professional. Precise roasting specifications bring out sweet aroma, citrus notes, and a crisp finish. So those are the 3 bags of coffee we got, and we haven't had any of these ones yet. But I've really wanted to try this one, and I really wanted to try this one when I noticed it was coming out. I actually kind of like the packaging on this one. They also have t-shirts and hats, as you probably have noticed in some of the videos that we post. I do have the Black Rifle Coffee shirt, and I do have a hat that I do wear. So that's our unboxing for this. So maybe I'll do another one next month too, so you can see what coffee you get. Now I'm not sure also, like, if you join the coffee club, if these are the 3 that you'd get this month. I'm not sure if they mix it up, but you can also pick. Or you can't pick what you get. So you might get the dark roast, or you might get a light roast or a medium roast. But we're open to trying new coffees and stuff that we probably wouldn't try before. So this month we have to try 2 dark roasts, which should be interesting. But again, guys, I'm going to put a link down below so you can save 20% on when you sign up for the coffee club. And hopefully you enjoy the coffee as much as we do. Remember guys, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you're reminded whenever we post a video, which usually we've been posting every other day now. So, and a couple bonus videos get tossed in there also. So, until next time guys, keep picking and enjoy your coffee. Bye.